everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be super casual because I just had a shower, I got into my pajamas, I don't have any makeup on, and we're about to do some skincare or face masks and things like that. So without making the video extremely long, let's get straight into it. So today's video is more of like a first impressions video on skincare. Also, if you can hear like trucks and cars going by, it's because my window's open. It's too warm in this room, I'm really sorry, but I have to have them open. Anyway, it's products from Give Me. I have this bubble mask. I also have a lip balm and a lip scrub. So I'm really excited to try these things out, and yeah. Let's go. Let's do this. So I'm going to apply the bubble mask. It says, after washing your face, simply apply a suitable amount of mask evenly and watch it foam up. Avoid your eyes and lips. Massage for 1 minute to melt down dirt. Leave to develop on your face for 10 minutes. Then rinse. So it's a deep cleansing, detoxifying and exfoliating face mask. To me, it looks like every other face mask inside. I've been using a couple of face masks right now that look like this. Excuse my nails, I'm about to do them after this video. But this is what it looks like. So it's just grey. This is my face at the moment. As you can see, I have some spots. So it comes with this little spatula kind of thing. Like this. And I'm going to start applying it. I have a mirror in front of me, so this can't go wrong. I'm going to dip my spatula into this. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. It's very thin consistency. I didn't expect it to be so thin. I thought it was going to be more muddy-like, but it's not. But I quite like that. It's more of a gel kind of consistency. It's nice and cooling. I'm not sure how much you're supposed to apply. Oh no, I got it in my hair. But that's fine. I'm washing my hair today. Hence it's up in a ponytail. And I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, it's already bubbling up. And I can hear it. Okay, I need to be fast. I'm too slow. Can you see that it's already bubbling? Cool. Haven't even done my whole face yet. Oh wow. Okay. This is so cool. So as you can see, I'm now a bubble monster. This is the coolest thing ever, honestly. It looks like I have, I don't know, an extra layer of face on top of mine. Give myself some dimples. This is so funny. I don't know, it feels nice. It's like tingly a little bit because whenever the foam like creates itself, I don't know, it's just like very tingly. But I really like it. I feel like this would be such a fun face mask to do with like friends at a sleepover. I can't talk properly because I'm like inhaling the bubbles with my nose. I think this is really cool. I'm gonna take a Instagram. There we go. First impressions of this. is that I really, really like it. Genuinely, it's so nice. I wish all, oh, I like blue sun bubbles. I wish all face masks bubbled up because it's just so fun. I feel like this is one of my new favorites. Not just face masks, but like formulas of face masks. Really cool. So I'm going to go and kind of massage this into my face like this. Oh, cool. And I'm going to take this off with a like a hot cloth. And then I'm going to come back and do my lip scrub and my lip balm, and I'll let you know what I think of that. It's really fun touching the bubbles. Woohoo! This is so fun! Oh, some fell on the bed. Don't do this on your bed, do it above the sink. I love this, I have to say. Really cool concept. Bubbles in a face mask. Thumbs up for me! Right, I'm gonna go and wash this off before it all melts down my face. See you in a minute. So I'm back now, and as you can probably tell, the face mask didn't irritate my skin or anything like that. It's nice and soft. It feels clean. What else could I say? The face mask was also really easy to take off. Some face masks are like hard to take off, I find. Sometimes you literally have to scrub your face to get the like clay face masks off. But this one was really nice and easy, so I appreciate that as well. Now I'm going to use the lip scrub. And this is the Mojito Exfoliating, Nourishing and Antioxidant Lip Scrub. So it basically says, take a scoop out and rub lips in circular motions. Lick away or wipe off any excess. It's just a sugary kind of paste. I'm not sure how much to put on, so I think this is too much actually. I'm not sure if I want to eat it. Right, I'm going to wipe away the rest. I'm still not sure if, I don't know, it says it's safe to eat, so like, it tastes like sugar, lemon and a bit mint. It tastes a little bit minty. Yeah, I think that's nice. I would definitely use that. I've never used a sugar scrub before, sugar lip scrub. But I like it. It made my lips nice and soft. I can't see any like skin that would be on them. Yeah, I really like that. I'm not a huge fan of the taste, but maybe they have different tastes. I'm not sure. Different flavors. I'm not sure if they have different flavors. Now I'm going to go in with the Give Me Vanilla Lip Balm, which looks like this. It just comes in this little tin, and it's a lip balm. It's also vanilla, which is one of my favorite scents, so I'm really excited. So I'm just putting my finger in there. Not much comes out like when I'm rubbing it. It's like there's nothing there. So those are all the products I'm going to be trying out today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to leave links to everything that I used, and Give Me Cosmetics, I'm also going to leave their social media links in the down bar. thank you so much for sending this to me to try out. I really enjoyed it. My favourite thing was definitely the bubble face mask because it's something that I've never tried before, and it was very exciting and I just loved the process. And again, as I mentioned, it would be such a fun face mask to do at sleepovers or like with your siblings and everything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go and put this on Aaron soon and see how he likes it. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!